We are just 4 days out from the New Hampshire primary. We have Fox News team coverage for you this morning.
Bernie Sanders dominating Hillary Clinton in the Granite State. Garrett Tenney has a complete wrap-up from last night's Democratic debate.
But first, Molly Line is in Manchester, New Hampshire, where new poll numbers show Marco Rubio rising. Molly, good morning.
Good morning, Patricia and Abby. You know, winners coming out of Iowa often hope to hit the Granite State with the wind at their back, with gaining that momentum and hoping for another victory right here on the ground in New Hampshire. It may be that Senator Marco Rubio is the one that has that steam at his back. He was the third-place finisher out there in Iowa, but in recent polls, he's climbing. In the University of Massachusetts Lowell tracking poll, Donald Trump still remains at the top of the pack with 36% support, but Rubio had 15%, up from 8% in that same poll from Monday. In the CNN MUR-UNH poll, Trump gets 29% support, with Rubio gaining 7% since the caucuses to hit 18%. Senator Ted Cruz in third place with 13%. He is not showing a bump despite his Iowa first-place win, and he has been out on the trail complaining about the media.
If momentum were measured by the media, Marco Rubio would already be the Republican nominee. I understand that in the media newsrooms and in the Washington establishment circles, Marco is the chosen one.
Meanwhile, the Republicans are slated to debate this Saturday night on ABC. The list of those to take the stage has been released, but there's pushback over the fact that Carly Fiorina is excluded, as she didn't meet the participation criteria set by the network in January. Former Republican White House hopefuls are weighing in via Twitter. This from Mitt Romney. Hey, ABC, put Carly Fiorina on the debate stage. She got more Iowa votes than John and Chris. Don't exclude only women. And similar from Newt Gingrich. This tweet. ABC News should put Carly Fiorina in the New Hampshire debate. She came in ahead of Kasich and Christie. She has earned a spot. And one more thing that I'll be talking about at 5:30. Governor Jeb Bush has pulled out the big guns. I am talking about Mom. Patricia, back to you.
Make room for Mom. Thanks, Molly Line.